Hello everyone. How are you? Today's class is divided into 3 levels. A1, A2, A3. Stay with me. Your level will grow step by step. Let's begin. Level A1 Basic Clear English. Listen. Repeat. My name is John. My name is Sarah. I am from New York. I live in London. I work in an office. I am a student. I wake up at 7 a.m. I go to work at 9 a.m. Now answer. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Do not rush. Again. I am learning English. I want to speak confidently. I practice every day. Confidence starts here. Level A2 Daily Conversation. Now we go one step higher. Question. How was your day? Answer. My day was good. I was busy at work. I finished my tasks on time. Question. What did you do yesterday? Answer. Yesterday, I met my friend. We had coffee together. We talked about work and life. Question. What are your plans for tomorrow? Answer. Tomorrow, I will go to the gym. Then I will complete my project. Now repeat after me. I am improving every day. I feel more confident now. I can speak without fear. Good. Level A3 Real Conversation. Now speak naturally. Question. How do you handle pressure at work? Answer. I stay calm. I focus on the solution. I manage my time properly. Question. What is your biggest goal? Answer. My biggest goal is to improve my communication skills. I want to speak clearly and confidently in every situation. Question. Why is confidence important? Answer. Confidence helps me express my ideas. It makes people trust me. It creates better opportunities. Now speak this. I believe in myself. I am not afraid to speak. I am becoming fluent step by step. Pause. Repeat. Speak with energy. Now we move deeper. Stay focused. A3 Natural Flow Practice. Listen carefully. Sometimes I feel nervous before speaking. But I take a deep breath. I organize my thoughts. Then I start speaking clearly. Confidence is not about perfect English. It is about clear communication. Repeat. I may make mistakes, but I will not stop speaking. Mistakes help me grow. Good. Real situation practice. Situation 1. Job interview. Question. Tell me about yourself. Answer. I am a hardworking and motivated person. I enjoy learning new skills. I always try to improve myself. I work well in a team and independently. Say it again with strong voice. Situation 2. Meeting new people. Hi, nice to meet you. What do you do? That sounds interesting. How long have you been doing this? I really enjoy talking with you. Let's stay in touch. Natural, smooth, calm. Situation 3. Expressing opinion. In my opinion, communication is very important. I believe clear speaking creates strong relationships. From my experience, confidence changes everything. Now repeat slowly. In my opinion, I believe, from my experience. These phrases make your English powerful. Fluency practice. Speak this without stopping. I am practicing English every day because I want to improve my communication skills and become more confident in real conversations. Again. I am practicing English every day because I want to improve my communication skills and become more confident in real conversations. Good. Confidence drill. Stand straight. Look forward. Speak loudly. I am confident. I am improving. I can speak English clearly. Feel the power in your voice. Next level. Real conversation expansion. Stay with me. Now we practice longer answers. Situation 4. Talking about your work. Question. What do you usually do at work? Answer. I usually manage my daily tasks, communicate with my team, and make sure everything is completed on time. I also try to improve my skills by learning something new every week. Repeat smoothly. Question. What do you like most about your job? Answer. What I like most about my job is the opportunity to grow and learn. I enjoy solving problems and working with different people. Again. Speak clearly. Situation 5. Handling difficult questions. Question. What is your weakness? Answer. One weakness I had was overthinking, but I am working on it by taking action faster and trusting my preparation. Strong, balanced, honest. Conversation control practice. If you need time to think, say, "That's an interesting question. Let me think about that for a moment. I would say that." These sentences give you time. Use them confidently. Opinion practice, medium length. Question. Why is communication important in life? Answer. Communication is important because it helps us express our ideas clearly and build strong relationships. Without clear communication, misunderstandings can happen easily. Again. Do not rush. Fluency stretch exercise. Speak this in one flow. In today's world, strong communication skills are more important than ever because they help us connect with people, build trust, and create better opportunities in both personal and professional life. Breathe. Repeat. Confidence under pressure. Imagine someone disagrees with you. Instead of reacting emotionally, say, "I understand your point of view. That's a valid perspective. However, I see it a little differently." Now complete it. However, I believe that clear communication solves most problems before they grow. Calm, mature, controlled. Natural American style phrases. That makes sense. I see what you mean. I totally agree. I'm not sure about that. That depends on the situation. Practice with relaxed tone. Long answer practice. Question. How are you improving your English? Answer. I am improving my English by practicing daily conversations, listening to native speakers, and speaking out loud every day. I also record myself to check my pronunciation and fluency. Say it again with confidence. Thinking speed practice. Complete this sentence. If I feel nervous while speaking, I. Example answer. If I feel nervous while speaking, I take a deep breath, slow down my pace, and focus on delivering my message clearly. Good. Energy control practice. Slow version. I want to speak clearly and confidently. Normal version. I want to speak clearly and confidently. Strong version. I want to speak clearly and confidently. Control your tone. Control your speed. Control your presence. Now we go even deeper. Advanced response building coming next. Advanced response building. Now focus. We build answers step by step. Simple structure. Point, reason, example, conclusion. Example 1. Question. Why do you want to improve your English? Answer structure. Point. I want to improve my English to grow professionally. Reason. Because English helps me communicate globally. Example. For example, many international companies require strong communication skills. Conclusion. So improving my English will create better opportunities for me. Now say it in one smooth answer. I want to improve my English to grow professionally because it helps me communicate globally. For example, many international companies require strong communication skills, so improving my English will create better opportunities for me. Again. Example 2. Question. What makes a person confident? Build your answer. Point. Confidence comes from preparation. Reason. When you prepare well, you feel ready. Example. For instance, if you practice speaking daily, you become more comfortable. Conclusion. That is why preparation builds confidence. Now full answer. Confidence comes from preparation because when you prepare well, you feel ready. For instance, if you practice speaking daily, you become more comfortable. That is why preparation builds confidence. Strong voice. Real-time thinking drill. I will give you a topic. You speak for 20 seconds. Topic. Success. Example answer. Success means achieving your goals while continuing to grow. It is not only about money but also about personal development and happiness. In my opinion, success comes from consistency and discipline. Now your turn. Interruptions practice. Sometimes someone interrupts you. Stay calm. Say, "Let me finish my point. I would like to add something. Please allow me to explain." Controlled, polite, strong. Natural conversation flow. Instead of short answers. Bad, yes. Better, yes, I agree with that idea. Best, yes, I agree with that idea because it makes practical sense in real life. Always expand your answer. Emotion control practice. Say this calmly. I understand your concern. Say this firmly. I understand your concern. Say this confidently. I understand your concern. Tone changes meaning. Storytelling mini practice. Tell a short story in 4 steps. 1. When it happened. 2. What happened. 3. What you learned. 4. Why it was important. Example. Last year, I was afraid to speak in public. One day, I decided to participate in a small presentation. I felt nervous but I completed it. I learned that fear disappears when we take action, and that experience changed my confidence. Smooth. Natural. Real. Speed control drill. Fast version. I am improving every single day. Slow version. I am improving every single day. Balanced version. I am improving every single day. Choose control. Deep confidence affirmation. Repeat strongly. I speak clearly. I think clearly. I respond calmly. I grow daily. Again. We are still building. Next section. Spontaneous speaking mastery coming next. Spontaneous speaking mastery. Now we train your ability to speak without preparation. This is where real confidence is built. No memorizing. No translating. Just thinking and speaking. Instant response practice. I will give you a simple question. Answer immediately. Question. What do you usually do on weekends? Example answer. On weekends, I usually relax, spend time with my family, and sometimes work on improving my skills. I also like to watch something interesting or go outside for a walk. Notice something. The answer is simple, but it flows. Now another one. Question. What motivates you in life? Example. What motivates me in life is personal growth and progress. I like the feeling of improving and achieving small goals step by step. Clear, honest, natural. Expanding short answers. Never stop at one line. If someone asks, "Do you like learning English?" Don't say, "Yes, I do." Say, "Yes, I do." I enjoy learning English because it helps me communicate with people from different countries and build better career opportunities. Add one reason. Always add one reason. Confidence under pressure drill. Imagine someone asks a difficult question. You don't panic. You slow down. You say, "That's a thoughtful question. Let me explain my perspective." Then continue calmly. Control creates respect. Natural reaction practice. When someone gives good news. "That's amazing to hear. I'm really happy for you. That sounds like a great opportunity." When someone shares a problem. "I understand how that feels. That must have been difficult. I hope things improve soon." Emotional intelligence makes your English powerful. Long flow practice. Speak this without breaking. In my opinion, strong communication skills are essential in today's world because they help people express their ideas clearly, avoid misunderstandings, and build meaningful relationships both personally and professionally. Again. Steady pace. Leadership tone practice. Say this softly. "I believe we can improve this." Say this confidently. "I believe we can improve this." Say this like a leader. "I believe we can improve this, and I'm ready to take the first step." Notice the difference. Conversation recovery skill. If you make a mistake while speaking, don't freeze. Correct yourself naturally. "Sorry, let me rephrase that. What I meant to say is. Let me say that more clearly." Native speakers do this too. Mistakes are normal. Recovery is powerful. Advanced opinion practice. Topic: Technology. Answer example. Technology has made communication faster and more convenient, but at the same time, it has reduced face-to-face interaction. In my view, balance is the key to using technology effectively. Balanced, mature, clear. Energy shift practice. Low energy. I want to improve. Mid energy. I want to improve. High controlled energy. I want to improve, and I am working on it every single day. Controlled power. Not shouting. Not rushing. Just strong. Now before we close this class, take a slow breath. Think about something. At the beginning of this session, maybe your voice felt tight. Maybe your sentences felt slow. Maybe you were unsure. But now, you are speaking longer sentences. You are responding naturally. You are thinking in English. That is progress. Fluency does not arrive suddenly. It builds quietly, layer by layer, sentence by sentence, day by day. And today, you trained 3 powerful things. You trained your listening. You trained your speaking rhythm. You trained your confidence. Remember this. Confidence is not a gift. It is a habit. The more you speak, the less you fear. The more you practice, the more natural it feels. If some sentences felt difficult, that is good. Difficulty means growth. If some parts felt easy, that is even better. That means improvement. Now here is your small mission. Today, use at least 3 sentences from this class in real life. Say them out loud, even if you speak alone. Even if you record yourself. Do not let this practice stay only inside this video. Turn it into action. And if this class helped you even a little, stay connected. There are more powerful practice sessions coming. More real conversations. More fluency training. More confidence building. Make sure you stay with this journey. Keep showing up. Keep practicing. Keep growing. Your English is improving. Your voice is getting stronger. And your confidence is becoming real. I'll see you in the next class. Keep speaking.